Our school is a small Division III school in Alliance, Ohio. We have about 2,100 students. Our decision to move to Kali SAS, it was the right time. Everybody had their own software on campus. It got to the point where an address changed here. We had to notify 3 or 4 different people across campus to just change an address. Those are the headaches we don't have to deal with anymore. It really was an end user led process. Our team from Ellucian was there with us all the way, telling us what we needed, gave us the tough love when we needed it. They kind of told us what data was needed. They helped us clean up the data and kind of pushed us in to keep making that progress forward. Our deployment was very successful. The first time we went to registration, it worked. That's all that I cared about. In our world, we made this change for the student. Ellucian and Kali is going to make it better for the student, and so that's what we went forward with.